Good day, YouTube. Hey, today I wanted to show you an upgrade that I'm doing to my 2017 Low 1756 Roughneck. Now, this is an all-aluminum utility boat, and I've been really happy with it so far. But what has prompted me to do this upgrade is the fact that I cannot go barefoot in this boat when the sun is out, because the deck and the seat surfaces get way too hot. So today I'm installing a product called Hydro-Tuf. Let's see what I've done so far. Here's the front deck, and you can see that I have installed the Hydro-Tuf on all of the hatch covers and most of the floor. Hydro-Tuf comes in a variety of solid colors and camouflage patterns, and is about 3/16 of an inch thick. It does have a different texture on each side of the surface. One side is brushed and the other side is smooth. The smooth side is the side that gets glued to the surface. Hydro-Tuf is also that type of foam. I believe it's called a closed cell type of foam, and it's called that because it doesn't suck up water like a sponge would. Now, you can buy Hydro-Tuf in different sizes, but the largest sheet that they sell is like this one here, and it's 47 by 86 inches. And a sheet this style runs about $70 when I recorded this in 2018. There's also an option to order it with 3M adhesive already applied, which basically turns a sheet into a cut, peel, and stick type of a product. However, this option costs an extra $40 a sheet. And so for this boat, I ordered 2 sheets of material, and I saved $80 by going without the peel and stick, and I'll just do the adhesive on my own. And to calculate how much material I was going to need, I measured all of the surfaces that I wanted to cover, put together some rough measurements per piece, and I entered all that into a free program called a Cutlass program, which I'll link to below. And this helped give me a better idea of how to plan my cuts, how to maximize my material usage, and minimize waste. A straight edge. Now for the adhesive, I chose this Loctite 300 product, which is supposed to be water resistant. And I believe it's a lot easier to apply than a brush or a roll-on type of a contact cement. So as you can see here, you only need some few basic tools like a straight edge, a sharp knife, the adhesive itself, some masking tape, a roller, tape measure. And you can see there's a washer there, and I use that as a template for rounding off the corners on some of my pieces, and also some sandpaper. And I use the sandpaper to round off or ease the edges of the Hydro-Tuf on the top side of the product, or the brush side. Now here's a couple of shots showing how I taped off the application area for the spray adhesive. I basically took my cut piece, I laid it down, put it exactly where I wanted it to be, made some marks on the surface, removed the piece, laid down the tape outline, and sprayed the adhesive per the instructions. And here are some shots of the finished product. I hope you like it.